Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by locking down safety and channels for help. Without security, nothing scales. First, secure ports and airports to allow steady aid and trade. Next, form a transitional council with trusted local leaders and one international liaison so decisions are fast. Simultaneously, set up a $25M rapid response fund to get food, water, and 72-hour medical kits into communities. Once those elements exist, you create the conditions to move from relief to reconstruction. Make sure local voices lead. Once security and emergency aid are in place, scale capacity building. Repair one strategic road per region within 90 days to reconnect markets and reduce transport costs. You should launch 3 job programs: public works for immediate wages, farming grants to restore food security, and microloans of $500 to $500,000 to restart small businesses. Because jobs stabilize communities. Also digitize land titles and budget tracking, and publish monthly reports to prevent capture and build trust. This enables private investment and donor confidence as progress is demonstrable. To finish the transition, institutionalize gains so they last. Organize transparent municipal elections within 12 to 18 months, with neutral observers to legitimize leaders. Then adopt a 5-year plan with clear KPIs, GDP growth percentage, literacy percentage, unemployment rate, so you can measure success. Make sure to establish an independent rapid response audit team that reviews funds and projects monthly to catch diversion early. If deployment stalls, the troubleshooting tip is this: isolate the bottleneck, security, funding, or governance, and redirect a small task force to diagnose and fix it immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.